I hear and I forget. I see and I remember. I do and I understand. That's what Confucius said. Now you seriously wonder what it has to do with your data. Quite a lot. Let's dive into that. Every company collects huge datasets without even realizing it. It can be, for example, invoices that you produce. Did you realize that on each invoice you have an address of your client? This is a valuable information. For example, if you want to open new stores, you probably want to open them where your clients are located. Very trivial observation. Yet, most companies don't use this information because often they are hidden. And this is exactly where AI can help you a lot. AI can automatically determine whether the particular source of data is valuable for you and also define you what tools can be helpful to visualize this data. Some tools are commercial, for example Power BI. Some tools are freely available, let's say for example Metabase. You can achieve the same result, but some of them are for money, some of them are free. Again, AI can help you to determine which one is the right one for you and for your particular use case. You can also use AI to determine hidden sources of data that you have. You don't even know about them, yet they are there. Let me give you an example. A client of mine wanted to improve communication with his client. So what we did, I collected data like feedback for particular products or DM related to certain products. Then we utilized AI tools to quantify these results. So for example, monitoring of the mood of certain customer or opinion of customer for certain products. Once we did so, we could easily visualize this data on dashboards. In this case, we use Metabase, which is freely available too. And once you see data, you immediately understand them and you can immediately use them. Before you visualize your data, you however need to answer an important question. Why you do so? Because that can help you to determine what's the optimal way to visualize them. What's the way that can help you to achieve something actionable? Once you do so, and again AI tools like ChatGPT can help you with this a lot, then you can take those concrete actions. And once you take the concrete actions, you won. Let us know how you used your data already. What visualization techniques do you use? We are curious to know. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe and see you again soon.